Welcome back to today's fun news. Today we're going on an incredible adventure to southern Africa. Get ready to explore breathtaking deserts, ancient cultures, unique wildlife, and stunning coastlines. Our journey takes us to beautiful Namibia, a country that is truly one of the world's hidden treasures. Namibia has a fascinating history. The Sand People, often called Bushmen, are among the oldest inhabitants of the region, and their rock paintings and carvings can still be seen in places like Twyfelfontein. Later, German colonial influences shaped architecture in towns like Swakopmund and Lüderitz. This mix of African tradition and European style makes Namibia's culture vibrant and unique. One of Namibia's most famous attractions is the Namib Desert. It's the world's oldest desert and home to the tallest sand dunes on Earth. The fiery red dunes of Sossusvlei look like a painting, especially at sunrise and sunset. Standing on top of Dune 45 or Big Daddy is an experience you'll never forget. The vast desert landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see and offer pure tranquility. Namibia is a dream destination for wildlife lovers. Etosha National Park is one of Africa's greatest safari parks. Here you can spot elephants, lions, rhinos, giraffes, zebras, and hundreds of bird species. What makes Etosha special is its giant salt pan, so big it can be seen from space. During the dry season, animals gather around water holes, making wildlife viewing easy and unforgettable. Another highlight is the Skeleton Coast. It's a mysterious and haunting place where desert meets ocean. Shipwrecks lie scattered along the foggy shoreline, giving it the nickname, the land god made in anger. Despite its harshness, it is home to seals, seabirds, and desert-adapted animals. Then there's Fish River Canyon, the second largest canyon in the world, where hikers take on the famous Fish River Canyon Trail for days of adventure. The people of Namibia are warm and diverse. The Himba people in the north are known for their red ochre body paint and traditional hairstyles. Their culture has been preserved for centuries. Visitors are often welcomed to learn about their way of life. Meanwhile, modern cities like Windhoek mix traditional African markets with modern shops, showing Namibia's blend of old and new. Namibia is also an adventure playground. In Swakopmund you can go sandboarding, quad biking, or skydiving over the desert. Along the coast you can enjoy dolphin and seal cruises, kayak with wildlife, or simply relax by the ocean. For photographers, Namibia is paradise with endless starry skies at night, especially in the Namib Nature Reserve, which is a certified dark sky reserve. Namibian food is hearty and delicious. Braai, or barbecue, is very popular with grilled meats and sausages. You'll also find German-inspired dishes like pretzels and schnitzels, thanks to colonial influence. And if you're adventurous, you might try game meat such as springbok or kudu. Of course, no trip is complete without tasting locally brewed Namibian beer. While Namibia is deeply connected to its traditions, it is also growing as a modern nation. Tourism is a vital part of its economy, and the country is praised for its commitment to conservation. Namibia was the first African country to include environmental protection in its constitution, which has helped protect its wildlife and natural treasures for future generations. If you plan to visit Namibia, here are some must-see spots. Sossusvlei and the Namib Desert for giant red dunes. Etosha National Park for unforgettable safaris. Swakopmund for adventure and German charm. Skeleton Coast for haunting beauty. Fish River Canyon for epic hikes. Damaraland for desert elephants and ancient rock art. Windhoek the capital for culture and modern life. Namibia is where deserts glow like fire, where wildlife roams free, where history lives in every rock and every tradition. It's wild, it's beautiful, and it's unforgettable. If you love nature, adventure, and culture, Namibia should definitely be on your travel list. Thanks for watching today's fun news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys around the world. See you in the next episode.